Ebusa for higher GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba, Ahadia latest and hot news, Mkwa Eramede Bremo. Enuti is a subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say or be subscribe. Dobe say or be click the subscribe button. Now a belly a year notification. When a video for free be uploaded when the first person I was ebe can a video. I feel we are now like video, like the video, give us a thumbs up. Nafi share ma of froso. Now when you be here now and someone elkoso el Ghana be mohanum. I feel yabura ye and someone abeto yepnoso. Eye nyina ni me NAPO the campaign awo ya okojina platform so a chese na no ekopa ya okobo Mahama se Ghana for to abama ye Mahama na eno na akoye nsebibiri ama eye NPP for eye Franco abranche ba ko no so chira dwefa Ghana ho sensem o NPP ni no ndo very objective and sincere obekano krachero we reacted to eye sanse body nsem atuya saso eye Wontumi TV radio abranche ba ko ye presenter ko kansem efa ye kwa be fa so ato abaye December 7 a watch say abato no ya chemu mienu eye from we ballot paper no so from 1 to 7 on bedikato eye on the 7th December na no na akoye nsem bibra ye chese misinformation ama a police for action say wo a police for kukuma chese investigation koso na no eye Franco so ede ensem atodwa afa ho na intentemara yenko na kachi yenkuti ensem ye Franco ede tudwa efa ye sase sebu nyina epie NAPO ene Wontumi boy ba ko Afenyo Heneba omun sensemi inti ensem ye Franco eka yentiro
na kwa report no mano ono kwa yade na se nya mitimi kache namba port bonus ono kwa se ni miska kra no o yade na se nya mitimi kache benye political party so let's be realistic and objective, let's be sincere yen kan okram fanche o sha ba de na drum our duty as journalists is we have to educate and enlighten people and wo kabi o hini ba se eduas ma wo kabi eno so nti ana 7 o'clock 7 am ene be sha ase ato aba no enti aba no mo mudi kan no ene ye sha ase ato mo de ade ate ne se eni ba nso no mudi kan ye di kan ato mo de 7 December 7 am no ye di kan ato ba ko de no di kan anzara de journalists, I say we are singers and we should be careful how we deal with issues. I want to call some of the the moment say say Tama Wontumi money issues by the kind of claims and accusations. I don't know who are kind. It was a recipe for disaster. I can national security for Nyabri and I'm paying for Nyabri to go and pick it. There be a catch a gun and I am for when you're near abroad and a bear hospital. I'm a Bob Boa. What did the Ralph and the kind? Was a gun and Kwasa for the Babu and I. And you see, if the NPP is in power, I know that it will be extremely difficult for them to take it because Nins Debia Oyebia is going in favor of the new patriotic party. Sure. One, the guy is misinforming the public. And I want to yes it. What's it? I want to yes it. Now me banana crow 4 years a crown has Obi about them lunatic. Obi about that pantime. My junior man. They will not even make this kind of statement.
When the leaders of NPP sleep, the person they dream about, any night they sleep, it is your mama they are dreaming about.
A dear pan, a running mate. A running mate. If the video is true, then I put the other child blesses. Me papa could me cook young Kranza, and NBC phone the Kuma so for and we young Kranza for. Franco, me passe a share NAPO video ever.
Bawumia Mahamadu Bawumia
yeah, that is my tupuku prempe. But John Dramani Mahama so I responded to NAPO. Me pese yen video.
You know, when the leaders of NPP sleep, the person they dream about is John Mahama. Any night they sleep, it is John Mahama they are dreaming about. And that is why Nana Akufo Addo says Akufo Addo Mahama administration. It came out of his mouth because every day he's dreaming about Mahama. The Ashanti regional chairman, he said, so when you go and vote for John Dramani Mahama, they say, hey. And just when I was coming here to Odumase, I saw another video. Their running mate, NAPO, he was saying who they should vote for. So he said, vote for John Mahama. Then they whispered to him. He didn't hear. He said, So when you vote for Mahama. Then they said, no, Bawumia.
Sir, what you are, my two pempe.
Median pass a shoe pan ye. Ah, o Cassie Yeshua. Coming a pass of the mean can be.
Are they? Ah, who can a person say? Coming can be. Yeah, election up to 7 December. Or flag bearer, the running beats. Coming can be. Mebu, my Franco, let us be objective. What's in a poker as a Mahama, rings apart. Tinapu, the Nika can't answer. Hey, Measurement. Many empirical research be a enquiry test. So Mama have never stood on a platform. Yes, or Bob will be dean apart of Bawumia Dinda. Nina, they were costing in the swap, Papa. Papa, Mosai. Can I? And I said, the Kennedy Sui and M1. Are they? Kennedy should work with Napo. Tea, my main cousin. Why are they? You should work with him, tea. No tea, my main cousin. Kennedy is a straightforward person. Okay. So young fan says, and then a poyadi, Nasadian Enya. Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong can look straight into his eyes in the closet and tell the jack. Can you line now? Oh, yeah, my man, I danger manipa. Because yes, it's a boom. Now we share the need to go. And you see, my main cousin, what can I say? Send a poker send to a town party. And I see, Mr. Robinson, mistake. And yes, your panny and coming can pass in me. So what can happen? Ah, everybody people me attack me. You wouldn't be cause coming through. Saying, I have a hidden agenda. And a Franco time upon a debate, and a one cast of Franco, but packet a contract with Japan, or in a pony coneba, we do that Iscariot, or person good part in the San Romano, you have a hidden hatred for Napo. May there be a catch or say, is it a doctor tip? It was any time an possible cast in the end could be only fake it to sue. Yeah. And I was study, or cast in Nasa and Yanokura, normally disclaimer about fake. Now, as someone that poor kind 2 times, Mahama need Lomotini, Mahama need Lomotini. And if this one's fake, I want kind of bring the original one. So, the your fake, we have to duplicate the original. Yeah. So, you bring the original. The Omon Fat Honan Napoka say, Bawumia Lomotini, Bawumia Lomotini, Mahama, to Napo or advices. So, the American Supreme Court to say, but the interpretation advice and for Utia Kennedy Agyapong, maybe Otulufuana. And for us, they are coming because I don't know. On Napo, I want to one. When Catherine Balabia is not happy with some of out on the fin upon the mobile. Hey, somebody say also, Kennedy Agyapong has done a great disservice to the NPP. A great disservice. Maybe Uncle Kennedy Agyapong say, and you see their basis of arguments. Oh, he understands the language of the people, party for and it's an man. They should always look at the greater picture. Let me answer the running mate position. I suppose in a big time. Running mate position at the moment. Some make the weakness and the position only about the Catholic Castle. So, first, me and a man for a Franco, oh, Franco time. Me catch us and you pay bottom of bottom to free no the Pia Bonte. He'll be a mechanized muscle. If Napo can say, so Musik see defense staff or never be a campaign, the tion 1 year a serious. On what you could now no car somewhere education sector no car was a baby boom say Akufo Addo Saturday may have you running me too. Yeah. Akufo Addo is better than Nkrumah. No a car Parliament House or Nkophobia confusion was a day, no you should guess just be me catch them. Said there are some Nipo to me catch or say John Dramani Mama say free senior high school should be what kind of bazaar and a son man. What kinds of young would be catch or say. People see Mahamadu Bawumia to be a pathological liar. Yeah. Yes, one can agree. So you should not go and look for someone who is blemished. Someone people have issues with to partner him. And a man for some new papa can be and the new option. Mammy catch or say, Kennedy Agyapong has his own views. I also have my own views, though he's my father. Whatever papa no, it doesn't mean say, assemble your Bekabiano, I should buy into it. Because I also have my sense, and whereby I do my analysis. Wah, can credit what you mean so can credit. And you papa papa 37% of the NPP. Yeah. He's a big man. Or yeah, in the public, who now walk Bantamon and then Namdano. Who now homeboa, and now papa cassette. So man father on the man of Podia, he's going to do campaign. Or man for man of Podia, on the Dugaya, and the this kind of things influence the reason why they should be making a put the running. And do papa in the Shannon Dim Coma. I have Bisanima, Mr. Ubafram could say.
And this hard demo here has it helped the NPP or it is a recipe for disaster? Hey!
So here NPP Council of Elders neck Michelle Mbona.
Shabra is a Council of Elders assembly. Messi Kennedy Agyapong control 37%. He's a big man. I didn't talk about Kojo aspirants, no. I don't person my candidates, no. Akufo Addo didn't call anybody. He called Kennedy Agyapong to come and do campaign. Maybe
NAPO involvement in the campaign has it helped matters?
Wow, Jumbo na put in time, baby. What ye? Now, me beside want me, I'm bringing it down for you. Mention 3 things. And a poor can. Who's a sad game changer? Catch them.
John the man, Mahama say, MP for Mokoda, almost son of die.
Now, what? With this, I agree with Mama 2000%. Mama is becoming a nightmare for the new patriotic party. Mama. And the MPP fund, they'll be laughing at the wrong side of their mouth if they joke. If they joke. Do you know, say, anytime you have a competition with someone, now can you pronounce them? You are projecting the person.
Okay. As a body did the attempt, say, and to walk on Mahama, putting the attempt to one once over Kappa for Mahama.
And it is very dangerous. Shame, a near pan, say, a running mate. A running mate, if the video is true. Say, they can't deny this. And I'm saying, I'm choosing my words carefully. As a pandit, I want to leave a door or a window or avenue to pass. Almost say, just want to catch on you. Hey, you're not supposed to be pass. It's serious. What are they say? Hey, don't joke with it. Don't joke with it.
Make sure empty before more headquarters in
a recipe for disaster. Hey, who candidate in a what candidate? Baby, my general, Mahama general. I want a long general.
Mahama Lomotin, Mahamadu Lomotin. As a member of the baby, I found so called Mahamadu Bawumia. Was it what I did 2 times? Also called Mahamadu Bawumia. I did 2 times. Mahamadu no, Mamma said, or Koboni, the coin of the Unse, Mekon, or I say, yeah, or Mahama, what prepare. Now could be a dear question for baby. Oh, person, we are the best. She says, ask a man, a person. And say, what Mahamadu Bawumia and Mahama say? Hey, I don't know John Mahama. Was Mahamadu Bawumia? Was it you? Was it called Mahamadu Bawumia? I don't come, Mamma and carry. Because Utia first or can't say Mahama, you know, we tell Mr. Bawumia near. I was I come Mahama, you know, so Konoba cut Mahamadu. We don't have Bawumia and Casacra looking who then because your Mahamadu and your Mahama may say Bawumia. One looking who said they were because I would have didn't say by Fanamina. Let's be realistic and objective. Nipa Baku was able to aid and abet another Kwaku to be the president of Bawumia in 2016. He said, I come and say Bawumia question or the cool. May say Bawumia changed the narrative. Let's be realistic. Attention a bit deep Bawumia. And Bawumia, then it was not about negativity. It was positive impact. He was asking questions. He was doing campaign, attacking issues, programs, and policies. Or can't say more churching. Hey! Oh, yes, we didn't die MPP headquarters. Some idea. Yes, good party to put the party position. The Becca person the party in co-position, the person has not been fair to. Mr. Your name has been mentioned. Your name has been penned down. Mr. Wabeka has not been fair to me. Inter you've not been fair to me, and he say, I don't attack personalities, I attack issues. The duty why Papaya Mutua Mekano said they want me to sit here and be an objective political pundit. And we bet now, so I'm glasses now, MPP glasses. I take it off. I become an objective, credible journalist, political pundit. I sit here, I do analysis based on the issues that comes on board. And you may cause me, my TB, and a Franco, and a Payamu be friend, young could be friend, and say, he's a big man in government. And a Franco, dear Franco, and he's surprised, he's shocked, and it's animal. People should also try to attack. Kennedy doesn't call you to order. Oh, he doesn't call me to order. That's a kid on Koya, come fire. That's a kid, crack on MPP for Brie. Kennedy will come. And MPP for Brie. Now, poor cast of one for man, whatever basso or come. Now, kid now call a Portman man. Or no cry, then I say, yeah, me catch it. Number put 2 bones for no class and Miss Caprano, or yeah, then I say, yeah, me catch it. Then your political party. So let's be realistic and objective. Let's be sincere. Young kind of crime fan, but they did not do no.
our duty as journalists is we have to educate and enlighten people. And I woke up your university was my wokabi. Shaula is my main council journalist.
Me sure everybody see the video them.
And I want grata ekogu about your commissioner enim say nyame ya aduma o mbese Ghana for etu omusaba na omobeya mampani na about your commissioner nhihye mu no otwe omusu ntonto ya balotoi say wan na bedi kan wan na beto so mienu wan na beto so miensa sa kwesi enipa edumiensa omoto abanom na unse abano ni bodos nti ya chemu mienu say ye dika to be there ye wi ani atu be there enti omo toso 1 to 7 no na ye dikan atu omo de no na say the about to be sia akoni de dikan a ye Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no ono na 7 December so mso gala de da bia 7 December ene ye to aba enti Dr. Bawumia ye baloto ye no ono da number 1 enti 7 December ono de no na ye dikan atom ye dikan atu nipa nso a edikan no ye wi ana enso na aka no every 8 9 10 11 12 no muso no omuso de na ba beto ato aso sa enti 7 December de Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia aba no na ye dikan ato de ade achi ana se na mienu achi no ni abeto de otoso 2 ni abeto de otoso 3 da for ni ato de otoso 4 sa na de ko enti nyame aduma 7 December ayamemenda anopa no nso pepepe enam say ye di kan atu ni padodo a wo mu ye mampani yo mba mampani adi no ye di kan atu ni panso no de ni tiro ene ye to aba no 7 December enu so nti ena 7 o'clock 7 a.m. ene ye be sha ase atu aba no enti aba no wo mu di kan no ene ye sha ase atu omu de na de ate ne say eni banso no omu di kan ye di kan atu omu de 7 December 7 a.m. no ye di kan atu ba akode de odi kan answer the fufuro about to toss me de and all for never to the toss me and all for never to the toss and sa come se bewie enti de tianie se wan go to Dr. Bawumia de nibia edu de toss tu ni na untubi ye ma wo kwan ma untubi police for soldier for electoral commission man for no
good yeah that's the video
journalist I say we are sinyansa nyenye ni hitayo we are sinyansa enye ni hitayo we should be careful how we deal with issues. A opportunity be any be a shabble CC and Yanotia. A opportunity be any be a frank wenya and I awesome to trade Canoma. I want to tell you one thing. Anytime you be a video where we be go and listen to the kind of inputs from people. We comment or better whether the person side with you or not. The person will come out with his candid opinion. What kind of DNA gets you to a certain point say then can he pan opportunity no better ha. He can do better analysis than all of us. Any time. But any pan one on Wontumi ma but otiod me can say that they don't catch us me I believe in objectivity say there shall be so maybe obi afro franco kokan ha koya dewi what's more kind to a point I agree with you to this point I disagree go and read this go papa and person dem kokan dewi koyi we film koyi we say it means say among fan no mu ye adwuma no they try to appreciate your effort they try to make you understand say the way your money je ho but maybe they have issues with you okay that be ade ba kwa kai. And still I'll say it. So many Papa he will go down the worst speaker of parliament. For me, it's a bad. That is me. My church will be so me nyadi. Nipa mi ensa ne radio ni TV. Jabu nipa mi ensa in a radio any TV. Journalism, you have to convince 3 people for them to say you are good. 3 people near wine. Who shall see your level of intelligence, credibility, anybody work usuku, understanding of issues. Obi a unima de chain be di Tróuble be juadi yeah obi unima de chain no be ogidi o yes and is any pan unima de chain no ogidi o na se ku di Tróuble na nipa he buys into your product and idea and asem ya wo kan whether say no kra na say no kra the person buys into it. Secondly, the next person who oti o no e obi an at par monim de no musuku no adwe kitamu nyina ye pe when it comes to podcast panitria e bia say obi say cheche wonsem sara pe no betima cheche but maybe you have something unique. A touch be a we nipa Wontumi nya bi the person will buy into your idea. The last person any will be the person is an intellectual and elite more than you.
Yeah.
Obi how a lawyer okita PhD ni sa anko no ma no oni kasa radio ni TV so sa but he sit at the comfort of his office any sa no ma no. So sa nipa no unless you convince that person to come and join you and for you to do analysis na be wie na bet man obi to say doctor obet man obi to say intellectual buying into your idea meaning you are able to convince an intellectual to come to you.
Yeah.
They are tossing me. I didn't say And I am my more job this uncle for they don't know political pundits. Yes, you are wrong. I want to tell you something, Shabu. Open and go and check. Do your checks. There are a lot of educated people that are not in the public sector.
Yeah.
They are in the private sector. If you have a company, and if you are going to also my maybe or teach you this, I want to make customer journey free. I know of people. I said, we mutu jum. But now our customer they will interrogate you. They will probe you. Questions will maybe sound young.
We have that here as a TV3 and I joy. Muku jumu kwa Zambia vox popper. But Brofa be muka.
Nan mother was a takradi. Guy be.
Yeah.
When Timmy in posture, you say this guy is not intellectual. You even have issues with him. He was talking about the national cathedral. Yeah. And I say 58 billion is but he was talking about it from a distance. If you don't know him, if you don't know him, you can say you're elite, or you're intellectual, or you're educated. But when he started, and tried to raise legitimate concerns, questions are obisano, and the kind of the debate you can never underestimate it.
Frank Osha or Neba Nasama or no care.
Yes.
Ne listeners no boom say.
Dedikai. Shabla Sisi. If you look at this kind of elections, there be a Kenya compare kuja podcast in me. Or say the media, Santo Kabisu Ghana media will play a major important role. And it is true. And some trouble from Abamu pay this year, Dedikai. I want to tell you the truth. And some trouble from Abba. Always you play. Yes.
I did cry my daddy.
A phone.
Some catch yourself by that. Let me boo say.
Who was about being Yajuma? Say, you play with the minds and intelligence of people.
So, God, no one in Kofa no Mokata.
And I make sure say, Nasamna Orkan, Dedikai. I'm highly disappointed in the management. I'm highly disappointed in Wontumi TV radio.
Including what for Rebus.
I'm coming to him. Another day.
But I never himself the program manager.
Was it? Whatever to make I want to. Me say the management and Wontumi as an entity. I have this is unprofessionalism. I don't know my year. The reason why you cannot pick up only the presenter and say you want to deal with the presenter and say it is an institution. Another day, say maybe I'm here, and let me be open up. If you are lost, if I say something, some American and your papa, it means I'm going to have an issue, and people among for Komasama, they are going to label say Franco here more Lawson, Franco of Lawson. That adjective comes into reality. And that be me catch us. I give you a million. When it comes to facts and figures, I'm very circumspect. Because the main map of facts now, if it is not real, somebody will come and can't cross you and tell you that how can I throw. And I'm highly disappointed at Wontumi outlet. Highly disappointed in Wontumi TV, Wontumi radio, the general manager, the programs manager, or more money show. And I'm going to tell you. The other kind, open Pabakwa have a lot of respect for. When it comes to media, what your media, human, what's your church, and I be what pay a man for their do from known to unknown or known to known. Any Pabako, away, but you can never underestimate it. Shabla Sisi, and never be a Madrid, and never be a Mekui. Open Pabako who was able to identify me, pick me from a table, whatever back room I have, away back. Never catch them, away bass. Maybe any Pabako catch them to wait my politics 1 year, away bass. Now, our boss has been the events manager for HFM. The time he was the events manager, even Oba HFM, let me a year or reportage editorial. Now, as I'm not working, you are not doing constructive debate. Our boss will have issues with you. Do say now, man, for say, as FM is biased to a political party, even so, who come as of facts in your corrector. Our boss will come in and say, as we don't know, now our boss no more, Kaka, won't be who no, and our fan also by a general manager for Wontumi TV. And radio. So now there's a case of be a general manager, as I said.
What a share you money in that
he takes concrete decisions.
Yeah.
So if the company will run, company be called the team, company be called anymore. Nipa ba ko betima lead yet me aboa no e yoro Afenyo.
Yeah.
Afenyo is a way bass. Now the Kwaku Annan is the chief executive officer for Ghana.
Yeah.
And we yamanfo. If some money nkoyi a, people will have issues with the chief executive officer. Do you know why? Because on the world the power to appoint and disappoint people.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably Akufo Addo who can appoint over 8,000 Ghanaians to fill our positions. And if you look at Obidi say away Basa, he is the general manager. Now, general manager, this is not the first time. Every year, baby. I hear about show this no. Me a female any an NPP man comes there. Or buy or say, Abana Moko Akotono. So person to Abana John Domini Mahama. ubetim 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
yeah.
Okay, it's a video.
Yeah, because a video.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
Yeah.
and misinformation. Saturday, no, I was expecting Wontumi outlet, the Wontumi media, to come and distance themselves from it. And he says, baby, as someone can represent his own views, and it's assembly about what they should hold me responsible. Well, I bet now radio station, TV station, I use their platform to misinform the public. Wontumi outlet didn't come out to say they want to render unqualified apology and just as many party candidates wrong. The Aremeyaw says, how was he was even presiding. He was the moderator of the show. Obian carry, ye young qualified apology be a Ethiopia, a honor class and the Koyo Woody. The Atosum, the moment Samuel can say, Tama won't to me money when a poem issues by the kind of claims and accusations, and no man who are Kwanaka, it was a recipe for disaster. I can national security for Nyabre, and I'm paying for Nyabre to go and pick him. There be a mechanic of Ghana in I am for Ghana, and for Utin, you say, John Kuma didn't die a natural death, or say John Kuma was killed. So about because John Kuma was killed, it means it can be assassination, it can be poisonous or any substance in the bone and meaning say you are able to identify the problem, give us solutions. Yeah. Now the damn Kwaku Annan say if you see something, say something. Or I say we should be citizens, not spectators. Sure. What is the Ghana police sitting there waiting for? Any more 2 months I defend our Sami and Tassie. No, Kwasababu. Yantibi. Siam father say, or Kwana can no question Ben now what you mean. Mamma took example. Nan what down Kofoy in Kofoy, I must say galamsey issues. Yeah, I'm Koye, a from say. Oh, Kofoy, Vama on Kofoy. Oh, and you want demonstration. Ponza Gaba quarter in a bear hospital, Mamma Ponza. Oh, I can't wait. Nania brought in a bear hospital. I'm Bob Boa. What did I run for the kind? Was it God and Quasaphobia, but who are not heading? But ask yourself, as I want to hear what Bushini, and I have bread and a way how you going to feel. Now, I'm quite down there, trees 1 month to buy. To move your court for now, Mupia Bontiana General Bakuba, no question I can say. Professor Bisani said, it's a demonstration. Why is the next one? Next animal, Massa. I don't have any demonstration to do. No, Saturday. No, say 3 weeks, no more friend. I was selling the police station one. Oh, no, Anka Ebia, I say, Lucas answer me. And I say Ghana, Obama comes to the nation with build stronger institutions, not stronger personalities. And I came institutions in Yajuma. And at this kind of useless childish comment to make it, and I we are going after him. Ebian can you say different? Or quite a young to hear. And you see, if the NPP is in power, I know that it will be extremely difficult for them to take it because Nens Debia or Yebiano is going in favor of the new patriotic party. Sure. Shabu or Koma Yanganashino. That gave him another energy and motivation and power. And he decided to say, my video more than 10 times. More than 10. I have a reason. My team more than 10 times. They kind highly disappointed in him. The minimum said the general manager and the interview. I gave my question somebody to me say, a bad member say, I will buy the general manager, but I will buy doesn't control guy. So I hear about now. I don't say, or yeah, because or the or institution. But how is that possible? Well, he's a program manager. He's a program manager. Then another. So won't you outlet then you brea? I guess what would this position different? How do you give a program manager to sex person? Ah, me say, Obia what throw the ethics of the professor to the door. Me say, a bit mama say, sir, one. I will bask us some channel. Nabi na so general program manager near. And others a child by a program a TV station headed towards. What's your point? Now a programs manager look at the kind of things that you are saying. What say? Mass more kind of see Shaibu very, very dangerous. It's very, very dangerous. And now some Wakano, it's not a mistake. Well rehearsed, plan, work, calculate, and Wabeka. Just not make a Johnny B. What rehearse the idea? What calculate it, what plan it, so Beka. He doesn't care. Now Mahamadu Bawumia copies will be the president. Now Ben Mahamadu Bawumia Kwaku Annan say, "Ye ba be to aba na ye to aba na say dey say we be to say dey say we be to say what be pay." Na Shabu tenasi no work and was say on the 7th of December, first equity number 7 ballot paper. On be to on the 7th of December. Yeah. Mebwa. Yeah. And other people be to on the subsequent days. Mebwa. Jedi kind. One, the guy is misinforming the public. And I want to get sanity. What say? I want to get sanity. Ah, na me banana crow 4 years a crank as me. Obi wa bought them lunatic. Obi wa that pantai. They will not even make this kind of statement. No, it's realistic and objective. The reason why we pay journalists and say they should inform the ordinary Ghanaian. You inform, you educate, you entertain. We are going for elections. Elections now come. It's his primary duty and responsibility to educate the public. And who educate the public? You bring out the facts and you're opinionated. You don't bring out your opinion. The man who said the electoral commission about Montana catches about to do this. I'm asking you. Electoral commission, the constitution mandate. And in terms of constitution, sir, only almost our powers to conduct elections. Once one about Montana catches say, Abani Papa to be 7 December, how to be such this. And as somehow he's allowed with impunity. And then I know as for first Ghana for me and Kwasiafo said ye. And basically, the Wontumi media outlet has not come to render unqualified apology. So what more can it's electoral commission for a Bokase or more year advert trying to tell Ghanaians say you better to abandon Yam on the 7th December. Also, all yet different. And Shabla Sisi, not some all can who think critically. He wants to do a certain kind of diabolic work for the NPP. The NPP should come and distance themselves. No, if he say, oh, yeah, I hear a battle. The Ben Yatwa battle, you do number one, yeah, 2 years, that's it. And you know, oh, yes, I just to achieve. And I say, Bawumia Cries, every person will be present. Or Kono, you know, that's what can answer. He doesn't make this childish comment. He doesn't make it. He doesn't even talk about it. The one can answer one trouble on the 7th of December. What is the electoral commission? I say about trouble on the 7th and the 10th of December. What we pay? At Matnase, Obia, Minister, were real members of Christian service. I'm going to masters. I will be our school. But I said, look at your class. There was a 7 school and the Virgin. I will be our school and the Virgin. One more dinner woman. He's trying to more colleague than the MP before buying. Yes. Or he never be a Nimuno. Or in this, I don't let Chinese Fusika. One a Chinese Fusika. Yes. No, yeah, Juma 8 year MPP, position Fox FM. Yes. An MPP 4 year ago, you will chase on 1 pound and a chama Wontumi Agyarko. Yes. And Sassy. And also, and Sassy. And Sassy. Quiet. Or person, or yeah, Juma, please, MPP. Yes. And baby, or Kwaku Annan. But send or hen about pool on pool. Suppose you for a case of many bassa. Mahama ba assume be yanano. Messi suppose you for but why should Munya some bassa? Why about 2 weeks? Like some Mahama berry, some Mahama in case we be yanano. Why should it even be Mama? Why? So I get you. Why should it even be Mama say? Mama Mumna is all about we have to make sure our institutions are working. We are Ghanaians. So we have favor. That's what point. We are now here. No, that's when people. There be an chance. I'm a catch. I'm a true MPP. Yeah. No, so we to meet yourself. I'm a true MPP. Yeah. But anytime I get the opportunity, I'm a nearby America Sabiano. Me and Kasame political party. If they do something which is bad, I have the right to criticize them constructively. So I have the right. Also MPP 4 and the NDC. Omo pese omo ye bonia obeka. Yes. Once because you able do headquarters on. Dia okay obi anim say you are being objective. But the fee say you are not favoring the MP. Yes. The idea when we favor MP for you be otchere head by tower chi we go siaga. Me say no. O me pa lawyer man. Man can say so. Na me can say me chiro and to do a real quick. Okay say I'm taking it back to feed them. Yeah. Whereby a lot of NPP registered their displeasure saying, say, Franco, and now we NPP, you are working for an NPP rental station, and so only shall become hard on the NPP. Shabula Sisi might be a good political host, a pundit. Because, radio station, TV station, say, Franco, Nippon Rabbit Nasa, Kenskadia, Shabema, Canis, and Manina, Nippon Kobios are Franco. People are saying you are good. Yeah. Or you align yourself to only one political party, and it has become a problem. Yeah. Say him. Every hour here, say, why not say, apart from you, baby. But I'm so to Mananya, the opposition of Brabum. What is it? Mananya, the opposition of Brabum. And I was say, and they say, Ubia Unam, human beings are never satisfied. Ubia Unam, I say, human beings, human beings are never satisfied. Human beings are never satisfied. The more you get to levels, the more you get problems you have to say. When you're Highlander, and now share about high tail for Highlander. Oh, me say, go and do your checks. A lot of people, they were into journalism, had a lot of financial assets and liquidity. Where are they today? there are some things we say what say e ma ultimate no ma say na what say asema abante o yakasha uma dia I'll be surprised if the NC on the 7th of December Wontumi FM here I'll be surprised.
Yeah. Some NC
I'll be surprised.
Massage station will pretty on the 7th of December.
I'll be surprised. Do you know why? Do you know why? 2 weeks with the elections.
Yeah.
He has started misinforming the public. He has started lying. Gyamfi say, yeah, this guy come and sit on TV and say, yeah, will be ever went to constituency. Nepali NPP, so rise up and gang up. That's what make sure.
Yeah.
This guy can cause confusion in Ghana. We still go to Rwanda. It's journalism and journalists. When they created this genocide.
A single irresponsible statement made by a journalist.
A journalist. And them say, we should not joke with it. Shabla Sisi, me, I'm daring the NC. So I must say they have boss, pass so many break. So I'm a Bawumia Ghana to me queen ethics in radio journalism here. They should close Wontumi. Yeah, I'm to Wontumi and more the 7th of December.
Wontumi. Nancy, who appointed Penino? One appointed Penino. President Akufo Addo.
Maybe I want to ask a very simple question.
Yes, sir.
Who appointed Akufo Addo?
President Akufo Addo.
Why are they having issues with him today?
Because on no fee say or the boss.
See, me say who appointed him?
President Akufo Addo.
There no many issues.
Said no can.
Thank you.
Thank
you. There be a me cast some sure say. Kennedy Agyapong Kwaku Annan so open okre. Meboa Ghana first. Or no can okre. If you say me be can okre. If Kennedy is, now me make catch and bring him back to the line. And if I criticize him constructively or help cast me back we can okre.
Yo 84 we and sama abeto yep no so eye NAPO na no akopa wakokasa Mahama ni chese yento abama eye John Dramani Mahama eno na akoye ensem bebre saso na ye ohene ba eye abrante bako ye Wontumi TV radio na no akopa wakokansem a isusu se eye misinformation eno na ye police for akochina se wo police for kukuma akoye ensem bebre sansem we na ye Franco a react ya wada ensem dodo na ara edi Meka say when you subscribe to channel idea Bawumia say over subscribe. Sanse hadie latest and hot news. Enkwa ena me de bro. Afi we na wa like video na give us a thumbs up na fi share ma Ato Forson na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana me mu hanum. So betimi atchere wadwen afaye ensem we nyina ho e wo comment box ni mu. Mobeti minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.